Noise test. The main purpose is to measure the noise of the compressor. To ensure that our air compressor, before leaving the factory, the noise value meets the standard. Before the test begins, first we close all the doors of the machine, turn it on, and run the machine to full frequency. Next, we need to use a noise tester on each side of the machine and record the noise values. At the same time, according to the data table, to check the standard value of noise at each position. Above, the noise test is completed.